Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll share with you another early to join airdrop called ARO Network. So what's the offer? The ARO Network is a decentralized edge cloud platform that uses unused internet bandwidth similar to projects like Cross and NodePay. If you visit their website, you will find lots of information about their project. As for funding, they have already raised $2.1 million. If you look at their investors, you will see names like No Limit Holdings, Maelstrom, Escape Velocity, and Dispersion Capital. If you visit their X profile, as you can see, they have 17k followers at the time of making this video. If you scroll down, you will notice they are active here and share lots of updates, which is another positive sign. Before joining the airdrop, if you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. To join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram link in the description where you can find this link. Click that link and you will land on this page. First, enter your email, then set your password. Solve the captcha, agree to the terms, and click sign up. Now it will ask to verify your email. Check your email for the code, then manually type the code here. And click verify email. You will land on the main airdrop page. As you can see, I've already got 200 jade points. Now scroll down and here's the main thing. Click on run an ARO node. You can see different node options such as ordering an ARO pod, ARO link, or running it on a PC. But the easiest way is to run their extension. Click on add ARO Lite. Here you have an option to download the extension. Click on download and you will be redirected to the Chrome Web Store page. Simply download and install the extension. After that, open the extension and click on the on button. You will see your serial number, so copy this number. Go back to the page, paste the serial number here and click continue. And it's done. Now open the extension again. It takes some time to connect, but as you can see, it's connected. This means your node is connected successfully. Click on your node. And if you see it's online, your node is connected. Go back to the airdrop page and scroll down. You need to complete a few social tasks. First, connect your X account. Then authorize the app. And it's done. Click on follow. Follow their X account and the X task is complete. Now you need to connect your Telegram. Click connect. Then accept. Join their Telegram channel and click join channel. It's done. Scroll down. And here you need to connect your Discord account. Click connect. Scroll down and click authorize. The Discord is connected. To join their server, click on join. Then accept invite. And it's done. The Discord task is complete. Now you can post to earn more points. Click post. Share this post on X. And it's complete. As you can see, I've already earned 600 jade points. Scroll down. And in the referral section, you will find your referral link, which you can share with your friends and community to boost your earnings. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.